Welcome to the Pyjama Yoga Club. If we haven't met, my name is Jess and I like to do things a little bit different. So I teach a beautiful community of women an online class every morning, 6:30 till 7 weekdays in my pyjamas. And the reason that I do this is because I want these ladies to be able to show up as they are without any expectation. There's no fear of judgment. We are just ourselves. And the time you spend on the mat should be yours. So if you're being guided, amazing, but actually this is your practice. So the reason I wanted to do these videos was to give you the courage and the confidence to be able to join a class. So if right now you've never practiced yoga before and you don't really know what it's all about and you would feel nervous to go to a class, this is for you. So you can follow along, subscribe, and make sure that you see all the videos. You'll be learning step by step. I'll take you by the hand and I will teach you everything you need to know to feel confident to show up to a class. So today I wanted to share something that I do before we start our practice, and I encourage all of the ladies to do this as well. It doesn't have to be a formal practice of writing down. It might just be thinking or saying something out loud. But I do a gratitude practice every morning before we start our class. And I use this beautiful bowl and I've started to fill up each day with something that I'm grateful for. And if I have people over, I actually encourage them to put something in as well. So just taking like 30 seconds, thinking of something that you're grateful for right now. You can write it down, you can think it, you can say it out loud, but try to really feel it. And then hold on to that for the rest of today. Gratitude is an amazing way to bring more good things into your life. The more that you're grateful for what you already have, the more you're attracting all the good energy, the good vibes and abundance into your life. So that's what I wanted to share with you this morning. It is a really quick and simple way to start our day with positivity, and I hope that that felt good for you too. I'll see you again soon on the mat, and we'll keep learning and growing together each day.